Phil fails at writing a theme song. He doesn't know the words to sing. If success is the flash in the pan, my friend, then failure's most everything. Phil fails for you. Phil fails for
Rain.
you. Phil fails for you. Phil fails for you.
RAIN is an acronym for a strategy or a framework for being with difficult emotions. You could use it for pleasant emotions. It's probably a good idea to practice with pleasant emotions when it's easy so that you're prepared when difficult emotions arise. RAIN can be a helpful tool. I'm going to go through the RAIN process because I'm navigating difficult emotions. It's like 5:30 in the morning or something, and I haven't been able to sleep that well. So I got up and did a meditation and practiced RAIN, and I thought I could share it with y'all. RAIN stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. I'm going to go through it for what I'm experiencing right now, which is a difficult emotion. Recognize. Recognize is about turning towards the emotion. It's about being with what's present and recognizing it. Right now, I'm with the emotions of sadness and fear. Fear is probably the most prevalent, and sadness is pretty strong too. I'm not going to go into great detail on what's going on for me. I will share that I'm navigating difficult situations with my kiddos and my co-parent. I'm a single dad. I have 2 daughters. They're young. And things aren't great between myself and my co-parent. And so the communication's not great. And it brings a lot of fear and sadness about what's going to happen with my relationship with my daughters and my ability to be in their lives and to share experiences with them. So recognize the emotions are fear and sadness. They're big. Yeah, I'm scared, or I feel fear, or fear is present. I guess that's the non-identification with the what's present, is taking the I out of it. So fear is present and sadness is present. That's recognized. Just what's here. A is allow. Acceptance of what's going on right now. I'm sad. I feel sad. There's sadness and there's fear. That's what's happening right now. Accept it. I'm going to take a moment of silence and close my eyes and feel into that sadness and fear. Turn all of my attention towards it in an effort to allow and accept the present moment as it is. The next step is I, and I stands for investigate. You can do a body scan and focus on the sensations in your body associated with the emotion that's present. You can articulate the qualities of this emotion, how it's showing up in your life right now. It's a present moment practice. It's a being here now with what is here now. So I notice restlessness. My sleep is impacted by this emotion or these emotions. I notice a heaviness on the chest right here. It's like there's a heavy sandbag placed on the top of my chest. I notice the corners of my mouth are downwards. They're like pulled downwards, like there's little weights at the sides pulling the corners of my mouth down. It's on my face. There's rumination. When you're doing investigation, thoughts may come. I think a good strategy to manage that is to note them, to note the thought and allow it to pass and return to focusing on the sensations in your body and present moment phenomena, if you will. The thoughts are present moment phenomena, but we're focused on sensations. We're focusing on investigating the emotion. I think I probably am breathing a little shallow. Yeah. Rumination does come. I'm noticing thoughts coming. I'm noting them and returning to a body scan. What's present for me right now? The next step is nurture. I'm reminded of self-compassion. Love myself right now. I can come up with some quotes to help, like, all things must pass, or this too will pass. I can think about what my best friend would say if he or she was supporting me through this emotion. Maybe they'd say, man, that sounds like a real difficult thing to go through. Or they'd say, how can I support you as you're going through this difficult time? Maybe they'd say, I love you and I care about you. And I see that life is hard for you right now. Be your best friend. Be your own best friend. Nurture what's present. Nurture the emotions that are present. That's the RAIN method for being with difficult emotions. RAIN is an acronym. It stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. It's interesting to do this in front of cameras in this room, and I feel the benefit of it. A little bit of calming, The weight on my chest has reduced some. This isn't the end of this experience for me. I'm gonna turn off these cameras and meditate and self-care. Try to go back to sleep. And be gentle with myself today. Man, life brings difficult emotions from time to time, and strategies like this can really be helpful. So, when you're experiencing a difficult emotion, remember RAIN. Recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. Thank you for watching. My name's Phillip Jones, and this is on Phil Phails. Thanks.